let's make a mixed berry Dutch baby. You'll need eggs, syrup, milk, salt, butter, mixed berries, powdered sugar, and all-purpose flour. While your Dutch oven is preheating in your Fontana, combine the flour, salt, eggs, and milk into a bowl. This is going to be blended well until it is completely uniform, 0 clumps. Take out the preheated pan, melt your butter, allow it to turn nice and brown. We have a browned butter, and pour the batter directly into it. Cover it up, back into the oven for about 10 minutes. Remove that lid, and you are left with a beautiful, puffed up, custardy Dutch baby. Quickly, you add your berries. We're using a mixture, so we have strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. And to change it up a little bit, we also have some crumbled bacon that we added for a little bit of savoriness. Add your powdered sugar, and you're ready to go. Now, as you slice it up, a great way to be able to serve it is a little bit more powdered sugar, because who doesn't love a little extra sweetness? And then, of course, some delicious maple syrup. This is another take on a standard pancake. It is unique, it's delicious, it's fun, and I hope you enjoy it. Buon appetito!